Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the topic tangential arcs. Okay, so the question is shown on the left of the screen. So the question for today is the topic is tangential arcs, and the question is to draw the given figure showing the construction used to get the drawing, right? So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna set out the horizontal line. Then we're gonna draw the two circles, and then we'll complete the drawing by drawing the two arcs, which are shown there. Then we'll put on the measurements as shown, and then we would have completed our drawing. All right. So we'll start the video. All right. Now in the previous video, we looked at tangents. And this topic is related to tangents. So sometimes there's a combination, all right? So that was the previous video. So in today's video, we're looking at, as I said, tangential arcs. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to reproduce the given figure, okay? All right. Then we need a circle. We're going to draw the larger circle. All right. We're going to draw the smaller circle. All right, so there we have our two circles. So what we want is to get this arc. All right? All right, so what we're doing now, we have to find where how to draw this drawing, right? So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw that circle, right? Which is, then we're gonna draw this circle, all right? Now, where these two circles intersect, that will be the center for where we would need to draw our the two radius to complete the drawing, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw two circles there, there. Gonna draw another circle from there to there. And that would be our circles that we would need to complete our drawing. Those two circles that I drew a while ago would be the two circles that we need to complete the drawing, okay? All right, so here we have our drawing, right? Now what we have to do now, we have to edit the drawing so that the drawing can be clean and crisp, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna edit the drawing, okay? Now when I say edit the drawing, is editing is associated with when you're writing a document in maybe Word, right? But I just what should I say? Clean up the drawing, right? So we're gonna clean up the drawing, right? Clean up the drawing, yes. Cleaning up the drawing, right? So if you was using the traditional T-square and set square, the drafting instruments, those lines would stay because those lines would be drawn with a 4H pencil. So those will be construction lines, yes? But in my AutoCAD there, since I don't need them, what I do so that my drawing looks clean, right? And also further earlier in the video, you saw that this circle overlap with this one. So what I did, I moved the drawing so that it could look neat, right? Although it was a construction, I didn't like the idea where it was the construction was overlapping in the question, right? So I had shifted to give it some space between it so it looks a little bit cleaner, right? So edit wasn't the right word, right? And also I could have done it a different way, but the easiest way would just be just to clean it up, all right? Now what I can do, if I want to put on the dimensions on it, here I click, there it is, there, yes. I'm gonna put on a smaller one. Yes, there is that one. I'm gonna let it resemble what was given, yes. All right. Right, so I'm gonna label this one. Is it this one? Yes. I'm gonna label this one. All right. Then I'm gonna label this one. I'm gonna label this one. All right, there it is. Then I'm gonna label the next one. So I'm gonna label this one. There it is. And here we have completed our drawing. So good job if you were able to complete your drawing, right? And this is what we would do. Now, if you want to put on the line which is shown there, we're gonna do that now, right? All right, so we're gonna put on that line that is shown there. Yes. So let us put it on. All right. So we go to complete our drawing. Yes, so we go there, there, enter. And we'd have to delete the line below so that you can see the effect of the line. So let me delete it for you. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete this line, yes, right? And then now when I come back, I will be able to, it will be visible. All right, so let me show you what I mean. So here is the measurements that is on the drawing and resembles the exact thing that was requested in the question. So we are good to go. Okay. Now there's another method that you can use to produce the same result, right? So just like a maths question, but as long as we get the same answer and the principles were correct, it is okay. So it's the same thing with the method that I showed you a while ago. This is one way to do it, and there's another way to do it. Maybe in another future video I can show you the next way, right? But I prefer this way. All right. And when we meet in person, I will tell you why I prefer this way. Okay. So here we have completed our drawing. Yes, this is our completed drawing. I hope your drawing was fabulous. So thanks for watching, and this brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be looking at conic sections. All right, so we cut a cone and we draw the different views for the cone. So thanks for watching. Take care until we meet again. Thanks for doing the drawing and thanks for watching. Bye.